Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add transitivity equation in Microsoft Word using. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open our document. Now we want to add transitivity equation in this document. Go to the insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation from office.com. Then find the transitivity equation. Here the transitivity equation. Now we click the equation to insert. Then we can see we insert the transitivity equation very easily. You can edit the equation text. Select the box and edit the text. Now we can see we added and edit the transitivity equation very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.